First of all, our new platform, our new F-Series platform called the F-Series Vantage. So if you look at the F-Series Vantage, this is the product that we are launching today to make sure in the future that we can expand and grow within the industry. So the Vantage is based on many issues that you have within the printing industry. One is labor shortage. It's difficult to find good operators, to keep good operators. The whole mindset behind the machine is it's easy to use and you can onboard somebody within an hour. So those are two big, trump cards that you can use to sell the machine. The second of all is efficiency. You need to be able to produce more and more and more. So this machine generates a more efficient workflow. So we just launched it. We can claim that this speeds up your production by at least 40%. So 40% more efficient through your complete workflow from startup to finish. If you talk to engineers and you ask them, we want to have a quicker workflow, then everybody thinks we will speed up the machine. But if you speed up the machine, you only have like 20% increase, even if you double that cutting speed. What we did was we analyzed a complete workflow from tool setup, machine startup, to putting material on, to changing from one material to the other, from changing from one tool to the other. And we analyzed where you get slowdowns within the system. And this is sometimes things you forget, small operator mistakes, some things which are too difficult for an operator to do. So we analyzed all of this and we eliminated all those issues where we could. So we have a machine that will know how thick the material is, so tool lifts are more optimized towards the material. We have a machine that automatically detects whichever blade is in there and gives the person running the machine the best quality. We have a machine that knows what is installed on the head once you press online. We don't need to check anything, we automatically know this. So all of this together with a new motion system, a new camera system, new electronics, enables us to increase that complete efficiency. One thing which is not something you can see on the machine because it's really integrated is the ultrasonic media thickness sensor. A sensor that detects how thick your media is, and it can do this at any time during your whole process. It's not visible, but the machine automatically does this. We're the only ones out there that have this. We have an LED status light. That LED status light gives the operator the knowledge that the machine is running, or it's waiting on media, or he needs to do something on the machine. All these small innovations increase that whole workflow, that efficiency, that ease of use. The software is also something that we looked at. We went from having 2 pieces of software to run the machine to 1 piece. That 1 piece of software allows us to automate things for the operator, setting your media sizes automatically, analyzing things from the machine, and then avoiding mistakes. All of this just increases that whole. So together with the machine, we're introducing 2 new tools. Those 2 new tools are focused on cutting hard materials, but also cutting a wider range of materials. So where in the past you sometimes had to switch from one tool to the other, with that one tool you can already cut a wider range of materials. And that's just the passive tools. If we look at the routing, for instance, we made such a huge leap forward with the router. We went from a 1 kilowatt router, which was a perfect router, to now a router which is unequaled in our category. It's a 3.7 kilowatt router running at 60,000 RPM. It's the fastest router with the most power within our segment. Speed, same, and that's the funny thing. When I go in front of people and I talk about the machine, I say it runs at 1 meter per second at 1 G, and they're like, yeah, that's as fast as we used to do. Yes, but we gain 40% efficiency. Just to tell people, it's not only pure about the speed. The speed is one benchmark, but there's so much other things that will influence your efficiency. Today we're showing what I like to call the entry-level versions, so the 1612 and the 1625, ideal for sign and display. Towards the end of the year, towards September, we're introducing the larger machines as well. So those larger machines are totally different. I mean, in terms of delivery and in terms of setup, of course. Welcome.